Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on eBay. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we'll search about eBay and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about eBay. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.